Hi, I am glad to introduce property 25 Rifle Range Road, Inverell, New South Wales 2360. Tidy shed complex. Located on the edge of Inverell in an industrial area, this tidy shed complex represents a rare opportunity. The block is approximately 121 square meters with 2/3 security fenced. The shed features 9 by 3, 5 meters by 12 meters bays, all with rollers doors, lights and security system. There is also an open car washing bay and toilet and shower. The shed offers plenty of possibilities.